Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best plating chopsticks is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any culinary enthusiast's arsenal, transforming simple dishes into visually stunning masterpieces with precision and flair, allowing you to elevate your food presentation from ordinary to extraordinary, making every meal a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. Number 5. MFJUNS 5 Pairs Natural Wood Reusable Chopsticks. Elevate your dining experience with these beautifully crafted, natural wood chopsticks. Perfect for enjoying all your favorite Asian dishes. Made from a variety of natural woods like beech and sandalwood, these reusable chopsticks are built to last and promote a healthy lifestyle for your family. Whether it's sushi, noodles, or rice, these chopsticks are your ideal companion for any Asian-inspired meal. They're perfect for home, restaurants, or even travel. Featuring a unique carved vein design and a pointed tip, they offer a secure, non-slip grip. This makes them easy for everyone, including beginners and children, to use effectively. This set includes 5 pairs in distinct colors, ensuring a hygienic and personalized experience for each family member. They make an excellent gift for any occasion. What we like. Crafted from various natural woods, these chopsticks offer a healthy and durable dining experience. Their non-slip design ensures a secure grip, making them ideal for both beginners and experienced users. If you appreciate natural materials and a reliable grip for everyday Asian cuisine, this set is a perfect choice for your home or as a thoughtful gift. What people say. The chopsticks are made of stainless steel, which is durable and easy to clean. They have a non-slip design that makes them easy to grip, even with oily food. The plating is smooth and even, giving them a premium look and feel. Number 4. IQCWOOD 304 Stainless Steel Chopsticks. Experience the superior quality of our chopsticks, crafted from food-grade 304 stainless steel. They are rust-resistant, durable, and designed for a comfortable, fatigue-free grip, even with hot foods. Enjoy effortless dining with our non-slip grooved tips and square-shaped body. They provide enhanced friction and stability, ensuring you can easily pick up any food without slipping. This set includes 5 pairs of 9.25-inch chopsticks, perfect for family meals or gatherings. Their sleek Korean-Japanese design complements any table setting. Our seamless metal design is odor-free and incredibly easy to clean. They are completely dishwasher-safe, offering a hygienic upgrade from traditional chopsticks. These versatile utensils handle all your favorite Asian cuisines with ease. They also make a practical and elegant gift for any occasion, appreciated daily. What we like. Constructed from premium 304 stainless steel, these chopsticks are rust-resistant, odor-free, and incredibly durable. The lightweight hollow design provides comfort during long meals, and the non-slip grooved tips ensure easy food pickup. If you're looking for a hygienic, low-maintenance option that's safe for the dishwasher and suitable for all your favorite Asian dishes, these are an excellent upgrade. What people say. The chopsticks are very easy to clean and maintain. They have a good grip, making it easy to pick up food. The plating is durable and doesn't chip or fade easily. Number 3. 3 pairs extra long cooking chopsticks. Introducing our set of 3 pairs of extra long cooking chopsticks. This set includes both wooden and stainless steel options to suit all your culinary needs. Crafted from durable wood and stainless steel, these chopsticks are incredibly lightweight. The unique rope and spiral design ensures a secure grip, preventing drops and making them comfortable to use. Cleaning up is a breeze as these reusable chopsticks are dishwasher safe. Spend less time on chores and more time enjoying meals with your loved ones. Embrace the essence of Asian culture with these beautifully designed chopsticks. Perfect for enjoying a variety of dishes like udon, sushi, and dumplings, they are suitable for any dining occasion. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These dishwasher-safe, lightweight chopsticks are an ideal choice for friends and family, allowing them to savor the authentic taste of Asian cuisine. What we like. This set offers extra-long chopsticks, including wooden and stainless steel options, specifically designed for cooking tasks. Their extended length provides safety and control when frying or handling hot pot ingredients. If your kitchen needs extend beyond just eating and you frequently cook Asian dishes that require reaching into hot oil or deep pots, these are the perfect tools for the job. What people say. The chopsticks are made of stainless steel, which is durable and easy to clean. The plating is smooth and even, giving the chopsticks a premium look. They have a good weight and balance, making them comfortable to hold and use. Number 2. 12 inches extra long metal Japanese cooking chopsticks. Experience the finesse of a chef with these extra long metal chopsticks. Their thin tips are perfect for detailed work, plating, and garnishing, just like precision tweezers. Keep a safe distance from hot oil with these 12-inch cooking chopsticks. Their extended length is ideal for deep frying and protecting yourself from splashes. Enjoy cooking with the comfortable wooden handles that offer insulation and a lightweight feel. They are perfect for reaching into deep pots and cooking noodles with ease. These chopsticks offer a perfect balance of length and weight. The combination of stainless steel and wooden handles ensures a comfortable and convenient user experience. Elevate your Asian dining with these long chopsticks. They are perfect for enjoying noodles, sushi, or any Asian cuisine, enhancing your dexterity and the overall experience. What we like. These 12-inch metal chopsticks are exceptionally long, providing a safe distance from hot oil during cooking and deep frying. Their thin tips function like tweezers, offering precision for plating and garnishing. If you're a chef or home cook who values detailed work, needs to handle hot foods safely, or enjoys the authentic feel of traditional tools for plating sushi and other delicate dishes, these are an ideal choice. What people say. The chopsticks are made of stainless steel, which is durable and easy to clean. They have a non-slip design that makes them easy to grip, even with oily food. The plating is smooth and even, giving them a premium look and feel. Number 1. Extra long stainless steel chopsticks 12.4 inch. Crafted from food-grade 304 stainless steel, these chopsticks are sturdy, smooth, and durable. Their surface is designed to be non-reactive with any ingredients, making them perfect for all your cooking needs. Tired of burning your fingers? The insulated wooden handle keeps heat away, allowing you to safely pick up hot food without discomfort. No more juggling or using extra towels. With an extra long design, these chopsticks prevent your hands from being scalded by hot oil or steam. You'll never have to worry about burned hands again while cooking. The wooden handle and metal tip stay firmly attached, ensuring a steady connection even with repeated use. You can rely on them for all your kitchen picking tasks. Featuring pointed stainless steel tips, these chopsticks allow you to easily pick up even tiny or slippery items without dropping them. They offer steady control for delicate tasks. Ideal for noodles, grilling, mixing, and more, they are suitable for various cuisines and cooking styles. They are easy to clean with warm water, but please note they are not dishwasher safe due to the wooden handle. What we like. Featuring an extra long 12.4-inch design with a comfortable, heat-insulated wooden handle, these chopsticks offer superior safety and control when cooking or serving hot foods. The precision stainless steel tips allow for easy pickup of delicate items. If you frequently find yourself needing to handle hot dishes, deep fry, or meticulously plate food, and want to avoid burnt fingers while maintaining a secure grip, these are the perfect kitchen companions. What people say. The chopsticks are made of high-quality stainless steel, which makes them durable and easy to clean. The plating on the chopsticks is smooth and even, giving them a premium look and feel. The chopsticks have a non-slip design that makes them easy to grip, even with oily foods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.